How do you make money on YouTube without showing your own face? And let's find out. Yes guys, hope you're doing amazing. My name is Lucien and in this video you will find out how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face and making videos yourself. So make sure you watch the whole video because you really don't want to miss this. And the answer to this is Keshko, aka YouTube automation. So what it is, you have a YouTube channel, but you don't show your own face and you don't make the videos yourself. So as an example, you have a channel about history, you have a team on Fiverr, Upwork or any other freelancer platform who makes your videos, you upload that video on YouTube and for every 1000 views, you get paid by YouTube. So it's a super upcoming business model and the chances are really big that you have probably watched some Keshko videos yourself. Benefit number 1, you don't have any customer service. So all the dropshippers on us, they think yes, people watch your videos, so every 1000 views you get paid and everybody is happy. Benefit number 2, location independent. So with Keshko you can work wherever you want guys. So you want to work in a gym, at home, office, beach, coffee shop, wherever you want guys. So the only thing you need is a laptop and you need some Wi-Fi. And I know many business models are also promoted like this, that you can work wherever you want, that are location independent. But with dropshipping you get returns, with branding you have inventory and also returns, and of course you can easily automate it. But with Keshko, if you have a laptop and you have Wi-Fi, then your setup is complete. Benefit number 3, long term. So besides the ad revenue that you get for every 1000 views, your channel becomes worth a lot. Okay, so guys, right now on the site Trust2, on this site you can buy or you can sell Keshko channels. So if you just scroll down a little bit, right here we have a Keshko channel. So the monthly revenue is 25,000 euros a month and you can buy it for 450,000 euros. So it belongs to the cinema niche, and what's also nice about this site is, okay, you can see the RPM of the channel. So what does RPM mean? RPM is the amount of money you get for 1000 views. So right here it says, okay, you see in the cinema niche you get $3 for every 1000 views. That's not really much, but because in the cinema niche you get easy views, it's okay. And as you guys can see guys, these channels are sold for a lot of money. So if you're doing Keshko, you're in the long-term game. Keshko has one big disadvantage.
No! God, please, no!
A business model which requires you to have cash flow. So the fastest way to grow your channel, and of course if you have the budget for it, is to upload every single day one video. And a really good Keshko video costs around $50 or $70. So as an example, if you just take $50 multiplied by 30 is $1,500 a month guys. So this is the ideal situation, this is the fastest way to grow your channel, but the best thing to see this is to see it as a big advantage, because the barrier to entry this business model and to succeed is higher, so less competition. The first step when you start with YouTube automation is picking your niche, aka the subject where you will be going to make videos about. So you can make videos about dating, women, finance, animals, sports, many other things. And in our free Facebook group we just uploaded a 200 plus niche list. If you want access to that document, the link to join our free Facebook group is under this video. Step number 2, build your dream team. Build your dream team and let them make their part of the video. So a Keshko video exists of a scriptwriter, voiceover, video editor and thumbnail maker. Search on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, any other freelancer platform for a scriptwriter, voiceover, video editor and thumbnail designer, and let them just make the part of the video. Step number 3, upload your Keshko video on YouTube. As you guys know, we give away one free consult call on every single video, and the winner of this video is Hidde. So Hidde, bro, very original comment, thank you. Just send me a DM on my Instagram, which will pop up right here, and you will just hop on a super nice Zoom call. And if you want to be the winner of the next free consult call, all you have to do is leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or comment something really nice in the comment section down below, and the winner of this call will be announced somewhere in the next video. The fastest way to get views and to get your channel going is to find a Keshko channel in your niche that has recently started and has amazing results, and just make similar videos. So that's how you make money on YouTube without showing your own face and making videos yourself. That was the video guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to our channel. Also let us know in the comment section down below what you like the most about this video. I wish you the best, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.